Hey guys, it's Erica. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing something a little different this time just because I'm not feeling well. I have a giant cold sore on my mouth, so we're just gonna go with the flow here. Anyways, so today I have another SHEIN collaboration and I cannot wait to show you guys what they have sent me. For the first outfit here is a matching set. It looks like a dress, but it's actually a skirt with a sweater top. The sweater top has detailing on the back, goes right across, but the thing is this top is too big on me. It would definitely flap over. I'm just kind of like holding it up with my shoulders here, but as you can see it's a little on the loose side. It could go a lot tighter, I think, and then it would hold up, so I could probably pull that in on the side. But I think this is a very comfy outfit. I really like it. It's this soft dusty rose color. I just paired it with some nude heels. It's just super cute and flattering. I really like it. You could even just wear the skirt alone with some other top and vice versa. You could wear the top with maybe even jeans. So cute, and the material's quite thick, so this is a good one for me. I like it a lot. So this next outfit is actually all in pieces. This isn't actually attached. It's a separate blouse that I've paired with this dress. For some reason the buttons are not straight. I don't know why that is, but I could easily just remove this and put it to the center or just remove the buttons in general. But I thought it'd be so cute to wear this top with it, so that it has that like tie bow look. It kind of has like a schoolgirl vibe to it, which I really like. And I've also paired it with these SHEIN boots. So unfortunately these SHEIN boots are a bit big on me. I have really tiny legs, so it's very hard for me to find boots that fit my legs, like my calves here. As you can see, like it's very loose, but they are very cute. So if you're someone with a bit of a thicker leg, thicker calf, this would fit you. It's very shriveled looking on my leg because it's not fitting right, but they are very cute and they're at a very comfortable height. I think this looks super cute together. You could also wear like ankle booties, or even like black heels would look super cute, and with like black nylons. It gives it that schoolgirl vibe, which I like. You could also wear this without this shirt under it, but since it's the colder season, I figured that this would be appropriate. You could also just wear like a plain black long sleeve top with this, or a plain white long sleeve top, and it would look just as great. A little less glamorous though, because this kind of has like a silky look to it, but I thought this was really cute, although it's not hitting my waist. My waist is actually down here. This is my rib cage, but a lot of clothes are like that for me. But I still think this is very cute, very chic looking. You could wear it with a beret or a big black felt hat. The hat just elevates the whole look. Now I feel like I should go to Paris in this. The next outfit combo here is this sweatshirt and sweatpants. They did come together. I think it is cute. I wish it had pockets, you know? This is great for just lounging around in the house. It's super comfortable. It is thinner than I thought it would be, so definitely good for on the lighter days. When I put my arm up, my bra isn't showing, so that's perfect, because sometimes I have issues with that. Something interesting about these sweatpants is that it has a zipper on the inside. I'm not sure what the purpose of that is. I prefer just to keep it zip down, but it does feel a little weird because obviously the zipper gives some weight to it. But overall I think this is such a cute loungewear set. Definitely comfortable, perfect for the fall and the winter. Although I wish it was a little tighter on the legs, like more jogger style. It's a little wide, but again, super comfortable. It does the job. I like it. So I absolutely love this outfit. Although I wish the lines would actually line up on the skirt, but other than that, I think it's so cute. It is thin, so you might want to wear some shorts under this or tights or something, because it is short. I don't have the biggest butt, so it does cover it fully. It's pretty short. I've paired it with my own black plain tank top and my own beret. Again, I'm wearing the SHEIN boots, and I've also paired it with a SHEIN cardigan. I think this is so cute. Like, I love the detailing of kind of like the pearl bead on it, and you know, the pearl up here. I think it just gives that like school girl vibe to it, but a little on the glamorous side. I really like it. Again, more on the Parisian look, but I just love that style. I belong in Paris or Europe in general. I wanted to show you guys this Moto jacket here. It's faux suede. It's so comfortable. It's thin, but it's super stretchy. I really like it because it's usually very hard for me to find jackets that fit my arms because my arms are fairly tiny, but this looks so great. I even don't mind it with the skirt. I wouldn't wear it zipped up. It's a little weird when it's zipped up, but if you were to wear like a bodycon black dress or some black denim, this would look killer with it. Honestly, that's so cute. Next item is this jacket. It is cute, a little bit big for my liking. I do like to have my jackets a little more fitted, but on the plus side, you can definitely wear some sweaters, thicker sweaters under this to keep you warm. I'm from Canada, so it does get cold, but this is such a cute jacket. It's so stylish. I love the color. I obviously have not changed the outfit under, but color tones just work so well, and I think this looks so cute together. And because the skirt is a bit on the short side, it does give it some extra length and coverage on your bottom. I like it open more so than I like it closed up, but either or works. It's fairly soft on the inside. It has no pockets. I don't know what it is with female clothing, but they don't have very many pockets. But honestly, this is cute. I am digging this. What I love about this skirt is that it has so many different colors in it, like the more neutral colors, so it's easy to pair different cover-ups with it. So I love this cardigan. It's super light for the days you're feeling more casual. I love the slouchy laid back look it has. It just dresses down this outfit, which I really like. So I think this looks great, and it has pockets for your hands. I wouldn't be stuffing too many snacks in there because it's going to stretch out and weigh down. I love the length. Again, like it gives that extra coverage on the butt, so if you're wearing something shorter, this covers a great amount. This cardigan is cute. I dig it. So continuing with the cardigan trend here, again, just to show how versatile this skirt is, this also matches. It's another shade of gray. It's more on the warmer gray side than the other one was more of the cooler gray. This also goes, the sleeves are more on the bubble side, but it's totally cute. It is a bit shorter. There's no pockets, but I love this look as well. I think it works together. Honestly, with cardigans, you can wear this with leggings or jeans and it works perfectly fine. You could also wear shorts with them if you're somewhere warmer, but this is such a cute look, even like off the shoulder, cute too. Next, I have this kind of ninja assassin looking jacket. It's not suited for me. Something about it just doesn't look right. I think this is just hitting too high. Again, my waist is like down here, so that's a big chunk of space in between. It is cute. I mean, I do like the color. I don't know about this look. Maybe if it was a dress instead of the skirt, but it's not bad. It's not horrible, but it's also not great. I don't think this is giving me a wow factor. Cute concept. It just has this belt that goes through. It is more of like a poncho. It's light, it's soft, it's kind of almost feels like felt, but not quite. Color's great. Color's perfect for fall time. Last but not least is this oversized sweater. It's very oversized. My hands are covered. The jeans are mine, but this is the sweater that SHEIN gave me. I kind of like how big it is. I'm not used to wearing very big clothing. I like more fitted clothing. The sleeves are kind of balloonish. It has all this detailing. It is a thick sweater, so perfect for the cooler weather moments. I think this would also look great with leggings. I just wanted to see how it looks with jeans, and it's not bad, you know. It works for fall time. It's definitely like a comfy at-home Netflix and chill type of vibe. Also great for apple picking if you do that as well, or the pumpkin patch. I can't say I'm in love with this. My reaction is not as grand as the other ones, but you know what? It's decent. And it's definitely going to keep me warm this winter. I feel like it doesn't really show my figure, but a lot of sweaters don't do that in general. If I pull the sleeves up, they look like this. Again, not very flattering. This is not doing too much for me, but I think if I just wore leggings and this was a more of a casual thing, it would work better. A huge shout out to SHEIN for gifting me all of these lovely items. I'm so happy with all of them. They fit so nice. I love the color palette, perfect for this season. Again, thank you so much for collaborating with me. I really, really appreciate it. And guys, if you want to get some discount on your clothing, please check out the link down below. I also have the coupon code listed here right for you. If you guys really enjoyed this content and want to see more, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks guys for watching.